Nearly 94% of drivers have never even heard of these car hacks that can save them from costly trips to the repair shop. Some of these tricks can save you hundreds of dollars every month on car maintenance. Others can extend your car's life by years, and honestly, mechanics would probably prefer you never discovered them. Here are 15 genius car hacks that most people do not believe actually work. Let's begin with hack number 15. Black shoe polish for tires. Look at your tires. The sidewalls probably look dull, faded, and worn out. Here is a trick the detailing world has quietly known for years. Black shoe polish. Paste only, not liquid. Works on rubber the same way it works on leather. Work it into the sidewall with a cloth or brush using small circular motions. Let it sit for about a minute, then buff away the excess with a dry rag. The result is a deep, matte black finish that does not sling off at highway speed and does not attract dirt the way glossy tire sprays do. Tire dressing products can cost $10 to $18 per bottle, while a tin of shoe polish costs around $3 and can last for months. Hack number 14. Vaseline on car pedals. Your gas, brake, and clutch pedals take a beating every single day. Over time, the rubber can dry out, crack, harden, and become slippery. A thin layer of petroleum jelly can restore flexibility, reduce squeaks, and help keep the rubber from cracking further. Use your fingertip or a cloth to apply a small amount, then wipe away the excess so the pedal stays grippy, not slick. Shops may charge $50 to $80 to replace worn pedal covers. This fix costs about $2. Ooh. Hack number 13. The window reset trick. If your power windows are moving slowly, stopping halfway, or not going all the way up unless you hold the button, do not assume the motor is failing. In many vehicles, the window simply needs a recalibration. Hold the window switch all the way down until the glass reaches the bottom. Keep holding for 3 more seconds. Then pull the switch all the way up and hold again for 3 seconds. In many cases, that restores the one-touch function immediately. Hack number 12. Coca-Cola for battery corrosion. You know that white chalky buildup you see around your battery terminals? Yeah, that's corrosion. The acids in Coca-Cola can actually help break it down pretty fast. Just pour a small amount over the affected area, wait about 2 minutes, give it a scrub with an old toothbrush, then rinse thoroughly and dry everything completely before you start the car. Shops might charge you $50 for this kind of cleaning, but a soda only costs about $2. Hack number 11. Grocery hooks in your trunk. Ever have your groceries keep tipping over in the trunk? Well, a lot of modern cars already come with hidden cargo hooks built into the trunk floor or side panels. Use them to secure your bags and keep everything upright on the drive home. No need for any extra organizer. Hack number 10. Baking soda for paint damage. Bird droppings, tree sap, and highway grime aren't just ugly. They can actually be pretty harsh and damage your clear coat if you leave them too long. So mix some baking soda and water into a gentle paste, then apply it carefully with a soft microfiber cloth. It helps neutralize acidic contamination without scratching the paint. Detailing shops can charge $150 or more for this, but honestly, this fix costs under $2. Alright, so hack number 9 is all about using toothpaste and wax for your headlights. Foggy headlights are more than just a cosmetic problem. They actually reduce your visibility at night, which honestly isn't safe. All you need is some non-gel white toothpaste to scrub away the oxidation, and then you just apply a bit of car wax to seal the lens. The result? Clearer headlights in just a few minutes. The total cost is under $5 if you already have the supplies at home. Compare that to professional restoration, which can run you anywhere from $80 to $150. Moving on to hack number 8, WD-40 for rust prevention. Rust usually starts in places you barely even notice. So, spray a little WD-40 on any exposed metal to create a moisture-resistant barrier that helps slow down corrosion. Make sure to hit spots like door seams, wheel wells, and really any bare metal you can safely reach. Try to do this twice a year, especially before winter rolls in. Professional rust proofing can cost you between $100 and $300, but a can of WD-40 is only about $3. Okay, hack number 7, adjusting washer nozzles with a pin. If your washer fluid is spraying everywhere except your windshield, chances are the nozzles are just misaligned. All you need is a needle or a thin pin to gently tweak the direction of the nozzle. It seriously only takes about 30 seconds. And get this, shops often charge $30 to $50 for this super simple adjustment. Hack number 6 is all about vinegar and water for your windshield. You know, streaks and glare usually come from some invisible residue left behind on the glass. So just mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, give your windshield a good spray, and then wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. It's a super simple way to remove buildup without leaving any streaks behind. Hack number 5 is to activate auto lock. A lot of cars actually have auto lock built in, but it's often disabled right from the factory. So, take a minute to check your settings or the owner's manual, and you can usually enable it through the vehicle menu or by following a button sequence. Dealers might charge anywhere from $50 to $150 for this, but honestly, it's something you can often turn on yourself in just a few minutes. Alright, here's hack number 4. Clean your AC condenser. If you're noticing weak air conditioning, your condenser might be clogged up with bugs, dirt, and all kinds of debris. Just use a garden hose on low pressure to carefully rinse it clean from the front grill area. That little step can actually improve your cooling performance pretty quickly. Now, hack number 3, baking soda for interior stains. For fabric stains, just sprinkle some dry baking soda directly onto the stain. Let it sit for, say, 20 minutes or even a bit longer, then vacuum it up and give the area a light cleaning. It works surprisingly well for odor, moisture, and even grease. Moving on to hack number 2, olive oil for dashboard shine. You can forget about those harsh chemical sprays. All you need to do is put a small amount of olive oil on a microfiber cloth, then wipe it across your dashboard and trim. It brings back the color and leaves a natural, clean finish without any greasy residue. And finally, hack number 1, slow fuel pumping. Pumping fuel too fast can stir up sediment from the station's underground tank. That debris can end up in your fuel system and mess with your fuel injectors, fuel filters, and even your engine performance. Pumping at a slower speed helps cut down on contamination. And honestly, this simple habit can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs over time.